All right, so we've got our Ford F350 8 on 200, and this is your stock 17-inch, 17 by 6, and we tried to kind of do something a little similar to what the Ford OE wheel would look like. It's not a perfect match, but it's got those oblong, 5 oblong oval style holes. So if you're not really wanting to upfit to either a 19.5, 22, 22.5, anything like that, you want to stick with 17-inch. Great looking wheel. You can see it's mirror polished, both front and rear. Inside the hand holes have a nice polish. So overall, great looking wheel. In our kits, it'll come with the 4 wheels. You'll leave your stock steel on the inside, and it'll come with a chrome center cap. And then you have your choice of either a regular bullet style, lug nut, or a spike. So say you've got a regular, XL, XLT trim package, didn't come with aluminums. You're looking to upgrade it a little bit without spending the extra money on that higher trim package. Great looking wheel. Say you've got a set of stocks, aluminums that are just kind of worn out. Maybe use those in the winter. Get a new set here for the summer. Keep them nice and shiny. But here at BuyTruckWheels.com, got your 17-inch. For your Ford F350. That is going to be 570600 for your Ford 8 on 200 pattern.